ሰላም ጤናስጥልን ፓራዳይም የእንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ ማሰልጠኛ ማዕከልን በተለያዩ የሶሻል ሚዲያ ፕላትፎርሞች ነው እያስተዋወቀን የምንገኘው። ፓራዳይም የቋንቋ ማሰልጠኛ ማዕከል ከዚህ በፊት ዩኒክ የቋንቋ ትምህርት ቤት ነበር የሚባለው። በዚህ ስም ወደ 8 ዓመት አካባቢ ሰርተንበታል። ወደ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ስንመጣ ነው ይሄንን ስም የቀየርንበት ዋናው ምክንያት ደግሞ በዚህ ስም ዩኒክ በሚለው የተለያዩ ሰዎች እየሰሩበት ስለሆነ ነው። ዩኒክ የእንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ ትምህርት ቤት ከዚህ በፊት በሴፍ ሃውስ ኒውዮርክ ውስጥ ሲረዳ ነበረ። ሚስተር ክሬግ ህፃናትን ማብቃት ላይ እንድንሰራ በቀረበልን ጥያቄ መሰረት ህፃናትን በእንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ የማነጽ ስራ ስንሰራ ነበር። ትምህርት ማስተማር የጀመርኩት በ2001 የኢትዮጵያን አቆጣጠር ነው። ወደ 15 ዓመት አካባቢ የሆነን ነው ቋንቋን በማስተማር። ይህንን ያህል ዓመት የቆየንበት ምክንያት ደግሞ ቋንቋ ትምህርት የሁሉ መሰረት እንደሆነ ስለምናምን ነው። ፓራዳይም እንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ ማሰልጠኛ ማዕከል በአሁኑ ሰዓት በተለያዩ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ፕላትፎርምስ ነው እንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋን እየሰጠ የሚገኘው። በዋነኝነት በቲክቶክ፣ በዩቲዩብ፣ በዋትስአፕ እና በቴሌግራም ነው ቋንቋን እየሰጠን የምንገኘው ማለት ነው። ፓራዳይም የቋንቋ ትምህርት ቤት ዝነኛ ከሚባሉ የቋንቋ ትምህርት ቤቶች ውስጥ አንዱ ነው። ፓራዳይም የቋንቋ ትምህርት ቤት የሚያስተምረው ዘላንጉጅ ቋንቋውን ነው። ኮሚኒኬቲቭ እንግሊሽ የምናስተምር ሲሆን በደረጃ ከፋፍለን ነው። ኮርሱንም የምንሰጠው ለ6 ወር እና ለ8 ወር ሲሆን ግራመር የምናስተምረው ከ6 ወር በኋላ ቤዚክ እንግሊሽ ኮንሰፕት ግራመር ኮንሰፕት ብቻ ነው። ተቋማችን እስካሁን ድረስ ከ5000 በላይ የሆኑ የቋንቋ ተማሪዎችን በሰርቲፊኬት አስመርቋል። ተማሪዎች ተምረው ሲመረቁ ወላጆች እና ተጋባዥ እንግዶች የሚጠሩ ሲሆን በተለያዩ ርዕሶች ላይ የተለያዩ የእንግሊዘኛ ድራማዎችን ከህዝብ ፊት ያቀርባሉ። ይሄም ደግሞ ቋንቋውን ምን ያህል እንደለመዱት የሚያሳዩበት መድረክ ነው። ቋንቋውን ተምረው የጨረሱና የቋንቋ ተማሪዎች ዩኒቨርሲቲ የገቡ የራሳቸውን የቋንቋ ትምህርት ቤት የከፈቱ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ወደ ተለያዩ ሀገሮች የሄዱ ለምሳሌ ወደ አሜሪካን ሀገር አንዳንድ ጽሁፎችን ይጽፉልኛል ቋንቋው ምን ያህል እንደጠቀማችሁ። ይሄ ደግሞ ከፍተኛ ደስታና እርካታ ይሰማኛል። ስለዚህ በፓራዳይም የቋንቋ ትምህርት ቤት ቆይታ ውስጥ የነበሩ ክስተቶች ይሄንን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። ታንክ ዩ ሶ ማች። ሰላም ጤናስጥልን እንዴት ናችሁ የፓራዳይም የቋንቋ ተማሪዎች? በዛሬው ትምህርታችን ደግሞ የምናየው learn other way of speaking English። እንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ በጣም ብዙ የአገላለጽ መንገዶች አሉ። አንድ መንገድ ብቻ የለም። ኦኬ፣ አንድ መንገድ ብቻ ስንጠቀም ሌሎች አማራጭ መንገዶችም እንዳሉ ማወቅ ያስፈልጋል ማለት ነው። በዛሬው ትምህርት words and phrases meaning ነው። Okay, understanding the meaning of a word and phrases understanding the meaning of words and phrases can help you listen, understand and speak English. In academic English, you learn only how are you, but if somebody comes and say what's up, you get confused. However, the word how are you can be replaced with WhatsApp. How are you የሚለው ቃል WhatsApp በሚል ተተክቶ ሊወራ ይችላል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ WhatsApp, how are you doing የሚሉት ፍሬዞች ወይንም ሐረጋት እንደምን ደህና ነህ ሆይ ለማለት የምንጠቀምባቸው አማራጭ መንገዶች ናቸው ማለት ነው። እስኪ አንዳንድ ወርዶችና ፍሬዝ ሚኒንጋቸውን ለማየት እንሞክራለን ማለት ነው። call me ደውልልኝ። you can say give me a booze. Okay, give me a booze. ይሄም ደውልልኝ ነው። give me a call ይሄም ደውልልኝ ነው። phone me, you can say like phone me. Okay, ይሄም ደውልልኝ ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህን አማራጭ መንገዶች ማወቃችን ለምን ይጠቅማል? ፊልም ላይ በተለየ መልኩ ልንሰማው እንችላለን ይሄንን እንግሊዘኛ ማለት ነው። all right, can I call you back? sure means okay ወይም yes ማለት ነው። እሺ ወይም አዎ ይሆናል ሹር የሚለውን ፍሬዝ ስንጠቀም ማለት ነው። number 3, are you sure? yeah, I'm positive. okay, I'm positive means I'm sure. okay, ስለዚህ አንድ ሰው I'm positive ካለ እርግጠኛ ነኝ ለማለት ፈልጎ ነው ማለት ነው። Number 4, do you like dancing? No. In informal context, you can say nope. Nope ማለት no ማለት ነው. Alright? ስለዚህ ኖፕ ሊሉ ይችላሉ። ፊልም ላይ ወይም የሆነ ቦታ ላይ ልንሰማቸው እንችላለን። ኖፕ የሚለውን ቃል በኖ ተተክቶ ማለት ነው። አምስተኛ what kind of film are you into? are you into የሚለውን ቃል ልንጠቀም እንችላለን። ምን አይነት ፊልም ነው የምትወደው? what kind of film are you into? are you into means do you like የሚለውን ይተካል ማለት ነው። Number 6, do you know much about the movie entitled Lord of the Ring? I'm sorry, I have no idea. I have no idea means I don't know. Okay? ብዙ ጊዜ አይጠቀሙም አሜሪካኖች I don't know አይሉም ብዙ ጊዜ I have no idea. Okay? That means I don't know ለማለት ፈልገው ነው ማለት ነው። አንድ ሰው ያወራ wall ካለ wall is a gap filler and used to buy time. ጊዜ ለመግዛት gap fillers ናቸው እንደምንለው አይነት ነው ማለት ነው። Okay. How are you? I'm good. Good can be replaced with okay, fine, pretty good ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። በአንድ መንገድ ብቻ አትሂዱ። Okay, I'm good አለ አንድ ሰው ደህና ነኝ ነው። I'm okay ካለም ደህና ነኝ ነው። I am pretty good ካለም ይሄም ደህና ነኝ ነው ማለት ነው። Okay. Hey dude, hey is a friendly way to say hello. Hey dude አለ hey ማለት hello ማን ጓደኛችሁን friendly way በሆነ መንገድ ሰላም ስትሉት ነው ማለት ነው። ሌላው hey የሚለውን attention ለመሳብ እንጠቀምበታለን። ለምሳሌ hey ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ትኩረት ለመሳብ እንጠቀምበታለን ማለት ነው። Hey dude, okay? Dude is an informal English means friend ጓደኛዬ ለማለት ነው። Hey dude, okay? ወይም በጣም ቀረብ አድርጋችሁ ወዳጄ ለማለት የምትጠቀሙበት ቃል ነው። Hey dude, ሰላም ወዳጄ. All right. How are you? I'm so far so good. I am so far so good ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? I'm so far so good ቢል አንድ ሰው ምክንያቱም እንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ ባልጠበቃችሁበት መንገድ ሊወራ ይችላል። ኦኬ ስለዚህ እነዚህን ኦልተርናቲቭ ዌዎች ማወቅ በጣም ይጠቅማችኋል ማለት ነው። so far so good means things are good ነገሮች በሙሉ መልካም ናቸው ለማለት ነው ማለት ነው። ሌላው who is Monica? I really can't place her ቢል አንድ ሰው I really can't place her means I really can't remember her. Okay? አላስታውስኳትም ለማለት I really can't place her ሚለው ሊጠቀሙ ይችላሉ ማለት ነው። የሆነ ግርምት ላይ oh my gosh ቢል አንድ ሰው oh my gosh means oh my god. Okay? እሺ በዛሬው ትምህርታችን እነዚህን ወርድና ፍሬዝ ሚኒንጋቸውን ያየነው ነው። በዚህ አይነት መልኩ ቋንቋው ሊነገር ስለሚችል
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You look very confident, and I like that. What's your name?
Yeah.
Oh, my name is Pigerton.
Okay.
Yeah, Pigerton Roland.
Okay.
Pigerton Roland.
Yeah,
You're welcome.
thank you.
I love your stage name. Very catchy.
Thanks.
Very enticing. I like it.
Yeah.
I like your confidence as well. You said so, right?
Yeah, I
You're
can see the
welcome. You're welcome.
confidence.
One has to have confidence in what they do because in life, without confidence, all you have is concubine.
Okay. Didn't make
Yes.
sense, but it's okay. I'll take
Thanks.
that. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Okay, Mr.
Pigerton
Roland, Pigerton Roland.
Pigerton Roland.
Because yeah.
All right. So what are you doing for us today?
Okay, I'm the fastest writer in the world.
You are what?
I'm the fastest writer in the world.
So you write very fast.
Yes.
So what are you going to write?
I can write a whole page in 3 seconds. I wrote the longest essay,
In how many seconds?
5,550 words.
You wrote.
The longest essay, 5,550 words
And you wrote
in
it.
5 minutes.
You wrote
1,000
5,000
words.
5,550 words
in how long?
in 5 minutes.
So you're saying you wrote 1,010 words per
50
minute.
words.
No,
in
no, I'm
1 minute
dividing
per
it.
minute.
So 1,010 words per minute. That was
So
your
that's the calculation. Yes.
Wow. I don't know. Okay. And where can we vet this information from?
It's all over. That's my friends.
Okay.
But we don't know your friends. You can't just go around and
Ye-
say, are you Pigerton Roland's friend?
think we
Well, how
should
many
just-
words did he write?
Let's just put him to the test.
That's why I'm here. I'm here to prove.
Like
I'm
I
here
said-
to
It's okay,
prove.
it's okay. Your confidence is
prove it to
becoming
you.
arrogant. So calm down, all right? So what are
Thanks.
you writing for us?
Okay.
Do we give you words to write, or how does this work?
For you to throw words to me, you'll be so slow.
Oh,
So that's why I came with one of my friends. He's the fastest talker in the world.
wait first. You are the fastest writer.
Yes.
They're your friend.
He's the fastest talker in the world.
Okay. So where is he? That's his name, fastest talker.
Yeah, his name is Peterson.
Okay, Peterson.
Peterson. So fastest writer is Pigerton Roland. Then
Pigerton
fastest
Roland.
talker is Peterson.
Peterson.
Oh,
Yeah.
I like
Alright.
this. Okay. I love a challenge. It's good.
Yeah.
Okay. So how are you?
What was that?
He's saying fine, but you can't honor. It's fast. It's fast.
Wait first. What is your name? You say?
He's telling that his name.
You know, these two human beings think that we're joking here.
Please.
He's saying that his name is Peterson.
No, that's
because
not
I'm
what
a
he said.
I'm
No,
a
I'm
fast
going to
hearer.
ask him by myself. What is your name?
Yeah,
What did he say?
he said his name is Peterson. Me, I'm a fast hearer. That's why I can.
Oh,
I
you are a
can-
fast
You're
hearer
not a
and
fast hearer
writer.
again.
Yes, because for you to write fast, you have to hear fast.
You know what? I would love to see this. So please just.
He just told a story now. Tell one story now. About a girl that fainted, but they revived her back. Then she
Wow.
now got married, have children. The children, they are now doing bigger things in life.
Oh, that's all he said just now.
I say it's fast. It's fast like that.
This is interesting.
He told you this is now.
He told all of us.
No, he didn't tell us that. He told you, but he didn't talk to us.
You know what? Like I said, I love a good challenge. I love the way you appeared. I love your name, very catchy. Please, let's see it. Put it to a test.
Shall we?
So please, before you start, so are we supposed to set a timer for? So how long are you supposed to write for?
We
now?
know the time. We used to know. We know the. We count time.
So, like, how many thousand words is he going to say that you're going to write in how many
So,
seconds?
how does
That's what
this
we're
work?
trying to ask.
Okay. In few seconds, in 3 seconds, he's gonna tell a story, and I'm gonna write a full page.
In 3 seconds.
Yes.
Wait, are you people playing here? You know what 3 seconds is?
I know.
Okay. Okay, please.
1, 2, 3 now.
All right.
Doesn't take us that long.
Okay. All right. Your time starts now.
Do you have time for one question? One question? How do you feel about being here in Norway?
I'm feeling great. It's good to be here.
What do you expect from your stay?
Today or tomorrow?
What do you expect for your stay?
What do you expect from?
Yeah.
From what?
From your stay here in Norway.
Love, reconciliation, positive energy.
Thank you very much.